We'll start by going to Products and Items, and then clicking Discounts. Next, we'll click the Check-Based Discount button, and up in the top right-hand corner, we'll click Plus Discount. We will begin by naming our discount. We have the choice of turning this on as a coupon or an auto discount by flipping these toggles on. Next, we'll click the plus sign and select our offers. In this case, we're going to make the check total at least 1 penny. We can choose either amount, discount, free item, or set price from this list. Next, we will either choose to exclude certain categories so the discount will not be able to be applied to them, or exclude certain menu items. After that has been selected, we can then choose a discount type, promotion, comp, or donation, and then we can choose our applicable time periods. We can also choose when the discount will be applied, before or after tax. We can combine this with other discounts. We can set priority levels. We can also choose which roles will be able to run this discount or apply this discount. We can attach customers. We can also attach membership plans. And we can also turn on loyalty accumulation percentage. Lastly, we can control the color of our button by selecting one of these options. When you are complete, click Save and Publish.